Good morning, kindergarten writers. Please get your pink Writers Workshop folder out, and you will find all you need to complete your writing assignment for each day. So, for today, you needed to open up your folder and look for this page that is displayed on the screen. We're going to start a unit on opinion writing, okay? So, whenever we think about opinion writing, and an opinion is just how you feel about something. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Um, what do you like better? Those kinds of things. So we're going to be writing about a different question each day for Writer's Workshop. So what is your opinion? When someone asks you a question, you almost always have an opinion. So in this case, someone is asking, which apple is the best flavor, red, yellow, or green? So when someone asks you a question, the first thing you really need to do is think about it. And sometimes you might have an answer right away, and sometimes you may need to think for a few moments. With this situation, the child decided, oh, I like green apples the best. So they decided green was the best. And once we begin to write, we have to explain why we have that opinion. Why do we feel one way about one thing? And just use words to explain why we feel that way. So this child starts their sentence, I like green apples because they are sour. So when we have opinion writing, the first thing you need to do is think about the question, then decide how you feel, and then explain why you feel the way you do. All right, so here, if you turn to the next page in your writing workshop folder, I've provided you this example. These are some ways that you can explain why or tell why you feel a certain way. These are just different examples that you could use. I think, and you'd fill in whatever you're writing about, because I like blank, because this is where you would fill in your response. Where they've left the blanks is where you fill in your response. And they've given us lots of different choices. I want you to just choose one or two choice each day to explain your opinion, okay? So look through this. This is what you'll refer back to so that you can use the words to write your sentences, okay? When we're writing our opinion, we need to repeat. So the first thing we need to do is state our opinion and then repeat the question. Okay, so for this question, and this is the one we're going to do today, it's what is the best way to eat apples? Well, this person chose, I think apple slices are the best way to eat an apple. So the first thing you need to do is state what you think is the best way. Maybe you like to eat apple pie or apple bread, and so you would say, I think apple pie is the best way to eat an apple. Okay, and that's how you would start it out. Then with the pink, it says, give a reason for your opinion. So here, this child has given lots of reasons. I like them because I can dip them in caramel. That's one reason. And then they say they're delicious that way. I also like them because I can pack them in my lunch and they are easy to eat. So they've given a couple reasons why they like apple slices the best. You only need to give one reason. Let's say you picked, I think apple pie is the best way to eat an apple. And then you could say, I like apple pie because it is delicious. I like to eat it with ice cream. It's warm and it makes me feel happy. Whatever it happens to be, but you just need to give me one reason for your opinion. And then she is finished up with the closing sentence, which is the purple, and it says, give a closing and repeat the question. Apple slices are the best way to eat an apple. So there you would just say your opinion. Apple pie is the best way to eat an apple. Okay? So you're going to consider the options today. So here are the choices that they give us. What is the best way to eat an apple? And they offer 3 choices, or you could come up with something entirely different. Sliced, applesauce, pie. Maybe you like apple bread the best. You have the option of choosing something different. And if you choose something different, you'll just need to draw a picture in this box, and that will be your thing. Okay, now it is time for you to try this out. So let's look at the writing prompt. Here's the page you should have in your writing folder. And it says, what is your opinion? Think. First thing you need to do is think. What is the best way to eat an apple? Here's the question. Now decide. Do you like sliced, applesauce, pie, or did you pick something else? In this box, you'll draw a picture, and then you're going to write a couple of sentences that explain. First of all, you need to restate the question. I think whatever you choose is the best way to eat an apple. Then you need to say why. I like whatever you choose because, and then finish it up by stating that same sentence from the beginning again. This will be your conclusion. Apple pie or whatever is the best way to eat an apple. Okay, so you should have 3 sentences here. Okay, use the examples that were given to help you do your work. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes to write this. Do your best writing and do a nice picture in the box. Good luck.